Yo, 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 this is Tiny Toes, and welcome back to my channel. Hey! First of all, I want to say Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers in the world. Today, I didn't do a video yesterday. I had the mommy blues. You guys know that I lost my mother in October. So, I was having the mommy blues. My son sent me a package. It's another Mother's Day gift. He sent me one yesterday. He sent me a Joy Cuff bracelet. I did not, I just didn't do a video, but I'm doing a video now. I just got my package. So we're going to open it and see what son done got his mama. Let's get started. Some scissors so we can cut this bad boy open and see what son done got his mommy. The cuff bracelet is really nice. It says mom on it and it's engraved. And basically it says that he loves me and I'm what made him the great man that he is today because of his mommy. That's right. So I'm gonna keep on opening up this box. We're gonna see what it is. We almost there. Ooh. Let's see, people. Okay, I'm just gonna turn it like this and dump it out. Nice and gentle. All right. Okay. Ooh. Oh. That is so cool. It's a pretty box, ain't it? Oh, let's just turn it this way. Sorry, guys. This is my neighbor. She gonna walk her baby. Okay. Ooh. Almost there. Oh my goodness! How beautiful is this? Excuse me. Thank you, son. Let's take it out of here. And what do? We light it up. It's probably better if we see it at night. Oh wait, probably batteries not. Let's see. No, there's no batteries in here. I guess mama got to get some batteries, but it requires batteries. And it's a rose. Uh-oh. Sorry. And that's what it looks like. Isn't that beautiful? This flower will last me forever. Thank you, son. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. And please don't forget to hit the notification button. That will really help me out a lot with my endeavors. So thank you once again for watching. You guys have an awesome day. Remember, God is good. And don't talk to strangers. Have a good day.